What is that guy doing? What is he even doing over there?
Hey, what are you guys doing? Get in here. Do you know about the ITC, the 30% tax credit? How that's going away at the end of the year? How solar looks from an incentive picture? Do you know there's overlapping incentives? Federal, state, local. Incentives your friends and family didn't even know about when they did solar, and they didn't get them. BlueSun, we put that map together. It's a custom map with all of your incentives, the overlapping ones that you can have so much value in right now. And we see how does that look for you. It's a custom picture done just for you, nothing required. Contact us at BlueSun. Let us put your exclusive solar incentive map together and get that done for you today. Now get out of here. Wait, first, contact us today. Get that exclusive custom incentive map done today. It's important. We can have that for you within 24 hours. Get that exclusive map done today. Now get out of here.
Okay.